All right. I'm shocked to actually be making this one right now. All right. So we are taking a look at the YouTube analytics. You can see that this is a live view. This is the last 365 days, and today I am over 2,700, and obviously that alone is a crazy shock. Okay, but man, literally a year ago from now, all right, literally 365 days ago, I was under 300 subscribers. All right. Um, I have 9x this year, and it's an incredible it's I can't I thank you. You know what I mean? Like I am so bad at social media. I'm really internet dumb. You know what I mean? Like everything started with zero. YouTube did, Twitter did, StockTwits. Like I personally, as a human, right? Like the individual I am, not the chart reader guy. And like I don't have a Twitter. You know what I mean? Like I don't do social media, and it's just crazy. It's just crazy. It's just crazy to like all that was in the last 365 days. Like I have two screenshots I wanted to share. I still have a screenshot where I was 400 subscribers and well under 4,000 hours of watch, and like very proudly my next one was at 600 because that was like you know what I mean, like it wasn't that long ago. And I'm so excited for the next 365 days. I have no idea where this thing's even gonna be. You know, like the Discord didn't even exist 365 days ago. You know what I mean? Like, and that thing already has been a beast of its own. You know, and I'm so grateful for all the people I've gotten to know through that. I can't believe I've gotten to know people. You know what I mean? There are definitely fake accounts. Like, I'm not gonna reach out to you guys, right? Like, that's a shady thing, but there are so many different ways to reach out to me. Many of you have, and yeah, I'm so thankful for this journey. I am. This is like one of the coolest things I've ever done, and like I said, I love doing this for free. I have no plans of charging for anything anytime soon. You know what I mean? So. Yeah, let's see where we go. I am so thankful one more time. All right, thank you, thank you.